Start.
Hello, I'm Styx. We will learn about the Morse code patterns. You have learned everything about letters and numbers, its punctuations, and its diacritics. Now, it's time to show you the sequence of pattern formation, in terms of increasing by unit length. Also by unit length with inter-character spacing. And in terms of increasing by binary code. You can choose your favorite pattern, if you wish to. Another formation is the symmetry and its mirroring type. We give you one of the examples of each character. First example, suppose P, which is in the form of symmetrical Morse. If you play backwards, there will be same note played. On the other hand, for example, which is not symmetrical. Suppose G, the Morse which appears to be asymmetric. When you play backwards, you'll obtain hearing the Morse W instead. So you can find lots of characters which containing symmetric or asymmetric. Now, by word, Jebediah Badger is my profile purpose. If we like to play backwards, there are 3 ways to do. For entire line, Morse is likely to be reversed. It's REWUNV, The name looks absurd, hey hey hey. By each word, Jebediah turns into HNIUEVEO, and Badger becomes REWUNV. And by each letter, Jebediah Badger turns into OEVEUINH, VNUWER. Well, everything looks weird. You could try other names like Sonic, that can reverse play the Morse code, making a foolish name hey hey hey. So we now have learned about Morse code pattern. Like, comment, and subscribe now.